Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Dyazo smart car charger. The model number is SN143. This particular smart car charger comes with Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0, has dual USB support and output is 5 volts. And there's also a window over here, there's a transparent case. This is designed specifically to be used inside a car. There's some specifications mentioned. Material ABS PC plus aluminum, input DC 12 volt. Okay, so this is a 12 volt serial lighter, my apologies. Output is 5 volt. And weight is 26 gram, color is black and gold. That's all the information we have. Let's take a look inside. Okay, so this is it. This is what you find inside the box. First up, we have a warranty card. This is a warranty card from Dyazo actually, so this is a very important document, should not lose this. We also have a braided cable. This is a braided cable with a USB-A on one end and 3 ports on the other. There's a lightning port, a micro USB port and a USB-C port, as you can see. This is a great addition. I mean, one second, let me just show this to you. This is a braided cable. This is at least a meter long, almost a meter long. It's a good addition. And this is the smart car charger in question. It has Dyazo Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 written over it. This is the part that will go inside the car engine, and you will notice there are 2 USB-A ports right over here. So the idea is when you want to charge your devices, any device, be it a smartphone or an iPad or something like that, you can just connect it like so, and then this end will go into whatever device you choose. So this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Dyazo smart car charger. Model number is SN143. Thank you for watching.